guys, it's Mike from Maximum PSI. Welcome back to the channel. We got a beautiful car for you today. It's our customer MIRZA'S G80 M3, 850 wheel horsepower, stock motor, bolt-on parts only. I mean, who could ask for more? Precision 6870 turbo. We didn't stop there because we couldn't make more power. We stopped there because you can only run so much power through the stock rods, stock transmission. We like to use ECUTEK on any of the cars that's running E85 and port injection. It basically handles everything on the secondary injection fueling side. This car's running a MOTIV reflex that controls the port injection on this CSF intake manifold, and that gives us all the fueling that we need to be able to make big power on ethanol. The car's tuned full flex fuel, so there's no switching between calibrations. If you end up putting in straight E85 or any blend in between, it's dialed in for that. So we just finished this thing on the dyno. It made right around 850 wheel horsepower is where we stopped. The one other thing that we did to this car, the turbo has the T51 compressor mod, so this thing sounds like a jet. You know the saying, it's always easier to ask for forgiveness than permission. What better time to do a 60 to 130 run than when you're sitting next to an airport runway? I think that was pretty awesome.
Yeah. Wow. What's been done to the bottom end?
Nothing. This is
That's a stock bottom end.
Stock trans, stock axles, stock engine. It's
Really?
Literally a bolt-on setup. The car felt great at the airport, as you could tell from our passengers' reaction, but with the 5.7 second 60 to 130 time, I knew it wasn't putting all the power down. Went back to the shop and did some data logs. Ended up making a couple tweaks to the calibration, and now it's time to see what it can do on the street. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this beautiful purple G80. Customer's gonna be thrilled with how this thing came out. We made enough power to break stuff, and we didn't, so that's always a plus. Hopefully we can get this thing down the actual quarter-mile track because, as you know, I do love to drag race. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Drive fast and take chances, and we'll see you at the next one. What are you doing, man? You can't get me freaking editing my dyno graphs. This is how I make them. Look. It's a little laggy, but I'm getting better at my graphs.